how I gonna make this columnar cactus cupcake. Sticks biscuits with chocolate in the middle, and then I covered it with icing, any color, because this gonna be inside. It's just that I got spare excess of this gray one, so I just use the gray one. And then you just, you know, use your spatula to just shape it. It doesn't need to be tidy because we're still gonna put another icing on top. Okay, so how I do it, this is top heavy, so it might fall. It's like my real cactus, it's top heavy. But I will be putting that together with my cake, so it's fine. Okay, make sure that's the icing is coming out nicely and smooth like that. Okay, I'm using this 2B piping tip. Get your cupcake, and then from the bottom to the top. Doesn't need to be tidy. Remember, cactus doesn't have a fixed, like a very, you know, tidy appearance. So it doesn't need to be really that tidy. Now we're gonna put the spines. Don't fall. It's not attached to the cup because I just transferred it here. Okay, now if we want some spines, there's a spineless cactus, but we want some spines on this one, so we'll just sample here on the bottom. And then on top, it's more fluffy there. We put some more. It's cactus like that, like the spines coming out the top. And then we're gonna put flowers. This is what I'm gonna use, a star shape. And we're gonna put it around. Okay, yay. And then we're gonna put some dots, the flower buds, you know. Now we're gonna put some soil. This is a Biscoff biscuit. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. It does look like a bit of a cactus, yeah, with the soil now. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put it in the fridge and then add this on my cake. Then pull the cup. See, that's a small cake.
One side.